Hi, I'm Chris with CaseMaster. Today we'll be going over how to open a new file in CaseMaster Online. Let's get started. I'm logged into a demo database in version 1.1 of the application, so it probably looks a little different from yours, but the same features should apply. Keep in mind that fields with a red shade on the right are required fields, so we'll make sure to populate them while we set up the file. Also, this process differs somewhat depending on the case type, but the same general rules should apply. To open a new file, we click the New Case File icon at the top right. We can use the suggested case file number or enter a different file number. I'll use the suggested file number and then click the Create button. On the main case file screen, we select the case type and the client. The plaintiff will default to the client's default plaintiff if set, or the client's company name. You can change this as needed. There are other optional fields to enter as well, such as the client reference number. If we need to set special settings for this case file, like a custom contingency rate or interest method that is different from the client's, we would do this on the Settings tab. After all info is complete, click the Save icon in the top menu, or press Ctrl+S. Throughout the new case file process, it's good practice to save prior to moving to the next screen. Next, we go to the Account screen. We click the Add Account button at the top right to add a new account. We select a debt type and enter the account number. Although not required, it is advised to enter data into all of the applicable financial fields so that your balances are accurate, especially the principal amount, contract rate, default date, and interest date. I'll enter that data now. You can enter a value in the contingency rate field if it is different from the client's default contingency rate or the file's contingency rate. We click the Save button and move to the Debtor screen. We click the Add Debtor button at the top right, select the debtor type, and enter their name. We'll enter their address as well. Note, if you press Tab after address 2, it will move to the zip field. After you enter the zip, the application will autofill the city and state. We'll enter a phone number as well. Let's move to the Other Info tab. All of these fields are optional, but the ones to note are the SSN, or EIN, and the birth date. You can also track bank accounts and employers here. The other debtor tabs will be beneficial as the case progresses and are detailed in the Case File Basics video. We click the Save button and move to the Litigation Main Info tab. When opening a new case file, we normally only need to enter the venue county. All of the other fields in the litigation area may be used as the case progresses, such as case number, suit information, and judgment details. On the Other Info screen, you can enter stipulation details and other judgment data. On the Motion to Tax screen, you can record additional fees awarded by the court after judgment. And on the Case Style screen, you can create standard case styles for document merges. We click the Save button, and now we can officially open the file. To do so, we go to the main case file screen, click on the Settings tab, and click Open File. We now have all the necessary information to send our initial demand letter. This is explained in another video on our YouTube page. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have additional questions, feel free to contact us through the contact support icon on the application or through our website. Thanks, and have a great day.